class, and happy Wednesday. We are halfway through the week and we are in June. That's crazy. Time is flying by and summer is upon us. So today we are going to learn about two really big words. We're going to learn about cohesion and adhesion. Okay, those words sound crazy and extremely long, but I am going to explain it through a really fun way, and it's going to be an art project. So, for this art project, you only need a couple of materials. Let's get started and list them. So you will need a piece of paper, and I'm using a piece of plexiglass underneath, but you could use a tray or a plate. That works too. I'm going to be moving this paper around, so I wanted something to be able to lift it with, okay? Next, you will need a paintbrush, 2 glasses of water, 1 with a straw, and an assortment of food coloring. But for this activity, I'm only going to use blue, okay? So, the first thing is first, we are going to grab that glass of water that has the straw in it, okay? And you're going to want to grab your food coloring. So I'm going to use blue for this experiment. And I'm going to put about 3 drops of food coloring into the glass of water, okay? So next, I'm going to want to stir that up, all right? So that straw is going to be very helpful. So now we have nice blue water and we have some clear water, okay? So place those down in front of you. And next what you're going to want to do is grab that paintbrush, okay? So what I'm going to do with this paintbrush is I'm going to draw a circle with the water, okay? So let me put this aside. I'm going to dip my brush into this water and draw a circle, okay? So I'm dipping and I'm going to draw a circle on the piece of paper, okay? And we want this circle to be pretty wet and heavy with water, okay? And next, we're going to want that blue water, okay? And remember, we learned that if we place our finger on top of a straw, we can lift up. We can lift the water out of the glass. So now we are going to do that. I'm going to take you with me. We have our wet circle, okay? And we are going to take our straw and drip the water onto the circle, and you'll notice immediately that the color went around the circle and didn't go on the white paper. And if I move the plexiglass around with the paper, it literally just stays in the circle and the colored water did not go around the paper. So why did this happen? Well, remember I told you about those 2 big words called cohesion and adhesion? Well, there's a couple of reasons why this happened. So let's talk about cohesion. So water likes to stick to itself. Remember, we put water on the paper, making a circle, and then we took watered down food coloring, which is color in water, and we put those 2 together. Water likes to stick to itself. That's cohesion, okay? Co meaning 2. So they work together to stick together, okay? But then there's this word called adhesion. So adhesion is where water also likes to stick to things. So the water stuck to the paper. I used that paintbrush and I painted the water, and the water stayed there, right, on the paper. So that is adhesion. You might have heard of something called adhesive tape, right? Adhesive. So it means that it sticks to things. So water has two parts. It's got cohesion and adhesion. So it sticks to itself and it sticks to things. And what's really great is using these two big words, we're able to put together something really amazing. And that's why science and art always go together. So I hope that you enjoyed this experiment, and you can try this experiment with different colors. You could add a red color at the top of your circle and a blue color at the bottom. Move your paper around. What happens? Does the water move around? Does it become one unit color? Or do the colors just go around together? You should tell me in the comments what you try. I will see you all on Thursday. Bye!